Hey, it is Germany turn 6. As you can tell, I'm not doing Paris this turn. Just decided it. We're gonna do these 4 techs. Yeah, I don't have any other stage ones. I'm recording. Okay. We're gonna do it. I see a big number, I see a big number, I see holy shit. Okay. Let's hope that continues. I'll be honest with you. I need it. Anyway. Um 25 out of 25. Um That'll clear me. So that's 2 tanks, 2 mech, cavalry, and a militia upgrade. And then yeah, on to combat. Combat, he takes here. And he goes 1-2 with this and praise. Red is fighter. And then he gets a 2 back. Oh, okay, nice. Finally, successfully cleared the islands. With that, he could go here, but I think we'll go here. This will fly over here. Yeah. And we'll roll recruit. Now I'm debating between militia and infantry. We'll do that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then non-com, this rail's here, this rail's here. This is gonna get upgraded here. Every tank, living creature goes there. These 2 infantry stay there. And then that's basically the turn. Yeah, so if you want to click away, feel free. Actually, no, I'll literally just, I'll do this and then I'll clean it after. Everything goes here, stays, rails, and that's it. Yep. Yeah. We're done. Oh, I gotta collect 24 in place. He gets upgraded. This joins the huge stack. That's 4 units, and Cav goes in the middle. Alright, that's it.